Hey everybody! Today I want to show you how to work with names in Excel, where maybe somebody gave you this list of names and everything's just in one column. You might have a first name and a last name, you might have middle initials on some of them, and you need to split them into multiple columns. Maybe you're doing a mail merge or something like that. So rather than Emily R. Carter here in one column, you want it split across 3 columns like this. It's actually super easy to do, so let me clear that out and I'll show you how to do it. The formula we're going to use here is called TEXTSPLIT. So just enter the equal sign, TEXTSPLIT, open parenthesis, and then there's multiple parameters you can send in here. We're only going to need 2. The first one is the text that we're splitting. In our case, it's going to be cell A2 here, so I'll just select that with my mouse, and then comma, the delimiter, or the character basically that you want to split at. In our case, that's going to be a space. So we need a space in double quotes. So double quote, space, double quote, and then close off that parenthesis. And there you go. Excel will automatically split it into however many columns you need based on the number of spaces that were in your text. Then you can just carry this down. So if you select this first formula that you typed in, come down here to the lower right handle of the cell where your mouse changes to the plus sign. Pick that up and then just drag it down through the rest of your data. And that'll fill in the rest of the names for you. Now you might be wondering, what if I've got this in a different format, like last name, comma, first name, middle initial, or something like that? So here, let's first take care of that comma by coming up to Find and Select here on the Home tab of the ribbon. Go to Replace. We'll find that comma, replace it with nothing, so make sure there's nothing in this Replace With box, and then say Replace All. Okay, now we can use exactly the same formula. TEXTSPLIT, the text is the cell right here, and then once again, we'll do the space as our delimiter wrapped in double quotes. And we should get the same result that we had before. So that does it. A short and sweet video, but hopefully helpful for whatever name information you have. If you like that, give me a thumbs up on the video and also consider subscribing for more content like this. Thanks so much for watching.